Hello, to our supporters of Claflin Athletics. This is a special edition of the Sights and Sounds of the CIAA Basketball Tournament. This event is more than just basketball, it's like a joint HBCU homecoming. Our programs were disappointed not to win the championship, but each continues to get better. As you see and feel some of the excitement from this year's event, we hope you plan to join us in future years. Thank you all.
The CIAA Tournament is what the MEAC and the SWAC want their conference basketball tournaments to be like. Claflin Athletics made it look and feel like you were back in Orangeburg for homecoming. Everywhere everywhere had the Claflin colors. Then the hotel was filled with old school alums and Claflin students. All generations, all classes, all together, sharing Claflin love. Everyone was all about one thing, Claflin pride.
Elisha Quinn. Personal foul charge to number 4, Inari Jones. That was her first team score. At the line for the Panthers, number 10, Ashari Lewis should be shooting 2. And your final score, Claflin University 71, Charlotte University 45. Claflin advances to the semifinals.
Riley goes to number 1, Nadia Morris. Let's give it up for her, guys.
It's loud in here. Traveling violation.
Substitution into the game for the Panthers, number 0, Bryson Dennis. Also in for the Trojans, number 11, Kendall Byron. Ball's out of bounds. Possession goes to the Trojans.
sponsored by African Tourism.
Number 23, Elisha Quinn. Personal foul charge to number 4, Inara Jones. That was her first team's four. At the line for the Panthers, number 10, Ashari Lewis. Should be shooting 2.
Full timeout called by the Panthers, who find themselves down 2-50. The team is going to win this game. Let me hear you make some noise. Foul call against number 1, Zion Abandla. That is his 5th and final foul. First basket is good. He shakes hands with the imaginary players. Timeout called by Claflin University. Who's down 3, 55, 52. The Lincoln University fans are enjoying themselves. The Lincoln University cheerleaders are back to the floor.
Over Peter, Claflin right here backing up as well. We got cheer power going on with Tyler Timberlake family. Make some noise!
One shot here. Second basket is good. Lincoln with a 4-point advantage.
Hey everybody! You need to know that Claflin junior guard Lauren Scott was named to the CIAA First Team All-Conference as she earned a spot on the 2024 All-Conference team, and that is a big deal. Lauren has been a dynamic part of the Lady Panthers' resurgence under Coach T. Jenkins. She has been the team's leading scorer each of her 3 seasons at Claflin, but has never been considered a selfish shooter. Winning is still the most important objective for her. She is scoring at a career-high clip of better than 17 points per game. She is the conference's second leading scorer and has led the Lady Panthers to the number 2 seed in the Southern Division. She is the conference deep bomber as she converts more threes than any other scorer from the women's side of the conference. In the month of February, Lauren was named the National HBCU Player of the Week for her outstanding play. Lauren and her Lady Panther teammates will return to the court noon on Thursday in the Women's Tournament at Royal Farms Arena in Baltimore, Maryland. Keep up with the weekly Claflin Athletic Show exclusively on INSiiGHTS Roku and on the INSiiGHTS mobile app. It's available on Android and your iPhone. Support your Claflin Athletic Department, show that Panther pride, and stay updated.
We hope that you enjoyed this INSiiGHTS presentation that was created for your viewing pleasure. Please follow and subscribe to INSiiGHTS for our future productions and shows. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Remember to follow INSiiGHTS for more in 2024.
For a limited time only, the first 500 downloads of the INSiiGHTS app will get free premium content for life. Watch the Mick and Rick Show, Black History Moments, Remembering the Legends, INSiiGHTS Magazine, Faith TV, along with the Game of the Week series. See INSiiGHTS creative content with skits from the Church Sisters, students in generations, and more. The INSiiGHTS app is on your Android and iPhone and is now being downloaded in countries worldwide.